Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
My
Mine.
name is Henry.
How old are you, Henry?
I'm 8 years old.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay, now today we are going to have kind of challenges for you to answer questions. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's read it to me. Who wants to be a millionaire? Would you like to become a millionaire? Yes or no? Are you ready? Okay. Let's start the game. Okay. First question. Number 1. In the Academy Star, Book 1, Unit 1, who is this small and funny friend? Letter A, Tom. Letter B, Bob. Letter C, Alex. Letter D, Sarah. What's your answer? And read your answer. What is it? Bob. Okay, that's correct. Okay, and you got this one. Congratulations! You got it correct for the first question. Now let's proceed to the next one. Question number 2. Hello, my name is Tom. I'm 8 years old. I am blank today. What's your answer? Letter A, 8 years old. Letter B, his mother. Letter C, happy. Letter D, at his mother. What's your answer? Choose and read your answer. What's your answer? Letter? Wrong. Okay, let me read the question first. Hello, my name is Tom. I'm 8 years old. I am, the answer is happy. But you got it wrong. So you have this. Let's proceed to the next one. Next question is question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Let's play. What is this? Letter A, eyes puppet. Letter B, ear puppet. Letter C, nose puppet. Letter D, finger puppet. What's your answer? And what is it? Finger puppet. Correct! Okay. Now let's proceed to the next question. Question number? Okay. What is this? It's a pen, it's an umbrella, it's blank apple. What's your answer? Letter A, an. Letter B, a. Letter C, the. Letter D, is. What is it? Okay. And that is correct. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next one. Question number 5. Okay. Katya is from Russia. Adele is from Egypt. Where are you from? Letter A, China. Letter B, Vietnam. Letter C, Great Britain. Letter D, Mexico. What's your answer? Okay, letter D, Vietnam. That is correct. Give me 5. You got it correct. Next. Question number 6. Okay. Tell me, what's this? Letter A, it's a book and it's a pencil. Letter B, it's an eraser and it's an umbrella. Letter C, it's a doll and it's an umbrella. Letter D, it's a scissor and it's a bag. Choose your answer and read your answer. Letter.
Letter C.
Please read. It's
It.
doll.
And is
An.
umbrella.
Let me see if it is correct. Okay, that is correct. Letter C. Letter C. Okay. That is correct. Letter C. And you've got this one. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one question. That is question number 7. Must an order of the picture through its name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Letter A, old, new, paintbrush, paint. Letter B, paintbrush, paint, old, new. Letter C, new, old, paint, paintbrush. Letter D, old, new, paint, paintbrush. What's your answer? Choose your answer and read your answer. Letter?
Letter D.
What is it?
D.
Old.
Paintbrush.
Okay, old, new, paintbrush. That is correct. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. That is question number
Number 8.
A. What is this? Letter A, it's small, it's green, it's a rubber. Letter B, it's small, it's yellow, it's an orange. Letter C, it's big, it's green, it's an apple. Letter D, it's big, it's red, it's a rubber. Now choose your answer and read your answer. What's your answer? Letter. Please read.
It's small, it's green, it's a rubber.
Let me check if it is correct. Yes, that's correct. Okay. It's small, it's green, it's a rubber. Now let's proceed to question number 9. They are my family members. Identify the name to its picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Letter A, mother, father, brother, family. Letter B, sister, brother, baby, family. Letter C, mom, dad, grandpa, family. Letter D, grandma, grandpa, baby, family. What's your answer? Choose and read your answer. Letter, what is it? Okay, let me check if it's correct. Yes, that's correct. And it's true. Now let's proceed to question number 10. Look at the picture. Which is correct to say using this and that? Letter A, that's your grandma. This is my grandma. Your mom, this is your mom. Letter C, this is my grandma, that's your grandma. Letter D, this is my dad, that's your dad. What's your answer? Choose and read your answer. Letter, what is it? Oh, wrong. This one is near, so you will use this. The answer is letter C. But now you got it wrong answer. Now let's proceed to question number 11. Fill in the missing letter in a word. Letter A, wind, wag, feet. Letter B, wind, wag, fog. Letter C, one, week, feet. Letter D, wind, week, feet. What's your answer? Choose and read your answer. Correct! Okay, next question is question number 12. Okay. Feelings. Guess the picture feeling. Letter A, happy, sad, hot, cold. Letter B, sad, happy, cold, hot. Letter C, hot, cold, sad, happy. Letter D, cold, hot, hot, sad, and happy. What's your answer? Choose and read your answer.
Letter A. Happy, sad, hot, cold.
Correct! Okay, that's good. Congratulations. Now, let's proceed to question number 13. Okay, are you still okay? Okay. How are you? What are these feelings? Letter A, thirsty, hungry, tired, and sad. Letter B, hungry, thirsty, tired, and angry. Letter C, hungry, tired, thirsty, and hot. Letter D, hungry, tired, thirsty, and angry. Choose your answer and read your answer. Which one?
Letter E.
What is it?
Hungry, thirsty, tired, and angry.
Correct! Very good. Now, let's proceed to question number 14. Okay. What do you think they are? Letter A, they are cakes, they are cold, they are yummy. Letter B, they are bread, they are hot, they are ready to be eaten. Letter C, they are cakes, they are hot, they aren't ready to eat. Letter D, they are cakes, they are cold, they are ready to eat. Which one is your answer? And read your answer. Letter A. Wrong. Let's proceed to question number 15. Yes or no? Are you still okay? Yes or no? Okay. Question number 15. Fill in the missing letter in the word. Letter A, it's a hot dog log. Letter B, it's a hot long log dog. Letter C, it's a hot dig leg. Letter D, it's a hot dog log. Which one is your answer? And read your answer.
Letter D is a hot.
It's a
hot dog.
It's a letter. It's a
hot dog now.
correct. That is the end of the question challenges. Okay, congratulations. High five.